Yo, listen. Shocked, grateful, humbled. Did I say grateful? Joe Freshgoods, thank you so much for the early gift of your latest collaboration with VANS, the Chocolate Valley Resort Collection. Let's take a trip as this collection transports you to a serene mountainous setting, similar to winter, but a disconnect from everyday life in all seasons. An ode to travel and leisure from the Black experience visualized through history and community. This is a massive box that holds almost every piece of the collection, dropping by JFG and VANS on Saturday, January 21st at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, 12 p.m. Central Time on joefreshgoods.com. Okay, let's talk the collection plus inspiration for Chocolate Valley Resort. The entire collection includes 4 pairs of shoes and 6 clothing pieces and accessories. I'll unbox one of the pairs, a Skate High Reissue Platform Vault Luxe that also comes in the same coral and almond colorway as you see on the Cardigan. The other shoe is a Slip Hiker Luxe with a quilted nylon upper with a rugged all-track outsole in coral and a quilted fleece upper in white and gray. You'll see me unbox the chocolate cardigan, the resort uniform cargo pant, the carbon tee, resort puffer, and resort ski mask. Which is what you'll find if you look through the lookbook fold-out for the Chocolate Valley Resort. Joe sets the scene for a getaway that engulfs you in the serenity of a resort because we all deserve leisure. He's inspired by the Black writers James Baldwin, Maya Angelou, and Barbara Chase Rabu, who all found solace in nature and getting away from the hard challenges of life and discrimination to create beautiful art in written form. Okay, sidebar, I was shook to find a puffer in here. Okay, shook. Never did I ever expect the full capsule. Okay, back to the inspiration. If you know Joe's work by now, you've noticed a dedication of homage to Black writers and poets. A Joe Freshgoods production isn't complete without a spoken word that details the Black experience that's helped shape creative cultures for many, many years. Chocolate Valley Resort features Eddie Opong, who encourages Black creatives to kick up their feet, take a beat, the same as you would in the safety and comfort of the Black childhood home. Think back to Inside Voices. Now, a personal connection for me with the allure of a resort getaway, one Maya Angelou may have taken to create in the absence of the noisy city, is all thanks to my mom. I grew up hearing Maya's work as my mom is an avid fan and performed Phenomenal Woman and Still I Rise many times. Another well-known piece by Maya titled Woman Work focuses on the elements of nature, allowing her to escape to a different world. She seeks to find refuge in the object of nature, and refuge for a creative allows them to bring their work to life without the stress of everyday life. Now imagine if you could spend that getaway in leisure at a nice resort surrounded by others just like you, a sublime experience that reinvigorates as time away does, a vacation without aggravation, as Joe would put it. You're given your own cabin key to settle in, a closet full of items, no doubt curated with style. And although resort issued, it's still unique to you because we all bring something different, even rocking the same thing at Chocolate Valley Resort. Okay, if you're familiar with a VANS Skate High, that's what this is, except it is a Platform Vault Luxe edition in collaboration with Joe Freshgoods. The box is amazing. It says we all deserve leisure, and that we absolutely do. The Skate High, but make it luxe. You have a quilted cotton upper. You also have suede as you go up the tongue on the toe box. You have a stitched overlay of the actual VANS skateboard itself. Lace up on the front. You have these stock white laces in. You get your own cabin key, as you can see here in green and white. Mine says number 7. And if we flip it over, off the wall on the back, again, suede on the back heel. You have a 1-inch platform, so yeah, it's going to give you some height, and the classic waffle outsole for any VANS pair. 2 sets of additional laces, one in coral and one in green. It's definitely giving me AKA vibes. I'm not mad about that at all. No lace swap in this video, but you certainly have the option to do that. But the insole, listen. The imagery, it's beautiful. It's definitely giving you a resort look on the insole itself, but it is thick, okay? It is thick and comfortable and plush, and it feels amazing on foot. To finish off on the interior of the tag, it reads, "Everybody deserves to have fun," with a stitched strawberry, and I absolutely agree. I know, a platform pair won't be for everyone. I respect that. However, please know it's actually not very noticeable when on foot that you're wearing a platform pair. They're very comfortable. I went true to size, or I should say Joe sent my true size, which is a men's 6, and they fit great. They are much more comfortable than traditional Vans pairs that I own. I really appreciate that. And you can certainly cinch your pants above or have them fall on top of the pair. On to the goods. So the ski mask, which also doubles as a beanie, as you see me wearing here, faux mohair in this beautiful coral and sail colorway. You also have the cabin tee, really nice soft shirt. You have the JFG and Vans logo stitched on the bottom, and that is all. I'm wearing a size small, and it definitely fits true to size, at least on me. The Resort Uniform Cargo Pant. This is not a lightweight pair of pants, okay? 100% cotton, thick quality. You have an elastic waistband, but they also zip up the front to close, and you get a nylon strap to help adjust the fit at the waist. The Chocolate Resort logo on the left side, and of course you get pockets on pockets on pockets. You get 4 pockets because, hey, it's a pair of cargo pants. I'm wearing a small, and I'll be honest, in the future I would actually wear these with a larger fitting, more relaxed shirt, just based on my actual body type and the fit of the pants themselves. Zero cap might be the best item in the collection itself. So acrylic mohair blend chocolate cardigan, 100% cotton but also nylon. You have an oversized fit, slightly dropped shoulders. You also have that front button closure and amazing artwork on the back, which leads into a great layering option with the puffer jacket. For size reference, I'm wearing a small in both the cardigan and the puffer jacket itself. I'm 5'6", 125 to 127. For the puffer, it does fit like a standard puffer, so just know it will fit a little bit big. You zip up the front. You can also adjust the bungee cords at the waist for a little bit more of a crop fit. I love the Chocolate Valley Resort logo on the left sleeve. We get the same JFG and Vans logo stitched on the bottom right. You'll also find that on the tote bag itself. It's a comprehensive collection that flows so well and beautiful together, from the olive pants, the chocolate and coral on the sweater, the way again that it layers just beneath the puffer. I love everything about it. I love the tote, and I'm not even a tote bag person. But with so many great pieces, you may just want to throw it in the bag. I totally get it. Wishing you the best of luck on Saturday, the 21st, for anything you're going for from the Chocolate Valley Resort collection by Joe Freshgoods and Vans. I thank you for watching. As always, act your age, not your shoe size, and just know the cardigan is amazing, like really amazing.